Yo, what's up y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we have a car video. Yes, as you can read the title, Akira gets some fresh ass new headlights, and that's what we're going to be installing today. So what I got right here is Tigger Wigger, which shot my neck. I can't say that. What we got right here is my brand new eBay special headlights. I don't need nothing crazy. I don't need no projector, no freaking crazy. And all I need is these babies right here. Now let's open them. Give my money, give my money, give my money. You gon' give me my money, give me my money, give me my money, give me my money. Damn, they ain't giving me my money. Ooh, look at the ice! Look at the ice! Ice, 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 yeah! We is going from ashy to classy. So these are my OEM joints that came when I bought this car. So they're kind of like hazed, like a lot. Clear coat is fading. It's just not a good look. And I never liked this amber corner. Never a fan of it. So today we're going to replace them bad girls with some fresh Johnnies. You feel me? Oh yeah. Getting the front bumper off is fairly simple. Well, my tabs are already broken. So one tab there on that side. The other side right there, and then I have to pop over the bonnet and loosen out some 10 millimeters bolts, and that's it. We'll take the thing off and then we'll get started taking this headlight off. Front bumper is off. It's fairly simple. You have one screw there, one there, the clips on the sides, and this front bumper cowl, I guess you would call it. Once that comes off, then, well, if your car's OEM, then you have all the stuff on here, but I'm actually gonna take this off today because this is the reason why mine keep coming off. So I have to raise up the car, jack it up, and then remove all this stuff out. Remove the wheel and all this stuff out. But yeah, all in all, we got a bolt here for this bracket, and then we have another one, I believe, somewhere up top, and then this screw right here, and the bumper, I mean, the lights should come out. So let's give it a shot. So I got the headlight off. So there's a bolt here, there's a bolt there, there's a bolt there, and there's two bolts underneath the headlight itself. Let's see if I can show you guys. There's one there, and there's one that holds a clip down there, right there. So there's two on the bottom, one on the side, and two up top. Once you get those out, you should be golden. Your headlight's ready to come out, playboy. Yeah. Bro, look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Ice, 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 yeah. Bro. Sheesh. Ice, 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 yeah. Oh my goodness, that is nuts. What a difference. I just gotta get this bulb right here and an LED, so I'm gonna go buy some LED bulbs and then I can finish this install with putting the other one in. But yeah, put some LEDs on the sides and we should be solid. Sheesh. All right, back from the auto parts store. I went to Vactos on. Got these bulbs. I hope they work, man. I was there for like damn near an hour. Not at that particular AutoZone, but I was there trying to understand different bulb sizes for this car. The coupe takes 1157. The sedan takes a whole different number, but I'm just gonna put these in there in full send. If these shits don't work, I'll take them back and get my money back, but whatever. Let's just make this thing do what it do. Finish up this install. it can never go as planned. This fender is indeed clapped. So the problem I'm having now is the headlight bracket is just so bent out of shape. Let me see if you guys can't even see that. It's so bent out of shape that I can't even get this headlight to go on properly. I don't know how the hell that headlight went on properly. I have no idea. So I'm gonna keep trying to mangle and figure this thing out, but I think I'm gonna end up scratching up the headlights really bad. But damn, man, I should have just bought a new fender while I was at it. Yeah, bro, this is just stinks. The headlights are finally in. I gotta give a shout out to baby. Come get in the vlog. Come on. How you like the lights? They look good.
They're gorgeous. Yeah. They look like cat eye.
They can look like fish eye, black eye, double eye, hawk eye. Them shits look good. Beauty is in the eye.
That was my first purchase on Akira.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I can't buy anything really for Christina. She has everything.
Damn. Yeah.
I asked you to.
What do I need for this car?
My name on there.
Huh?
Yeah.
You can put name on Akira. You gotta put a big ass sponsored by baby girl sticker.
No. My name. You said you were gonna put it on Christina. Remember, you're like, babe, I'm gonna put your name on my car.
I've been having these Bovis symptoms like crazy. You might want to get away from me. I don't want to get you sick. Yeah, I'm sick.
I'm Mrs. Zosh, sir.
Mrs. Zosh. Headlights are in. It's looking better and better. I have a link down in the description box below in case you guys want to grab some. I actually have to not go out and buy, but I'm gonna purchase a brand new headlight brackets because these are clapped. So I'm gonna get some new headlight brackets. My headlight is actually it's a little loose. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but yeah, she is looking gorgeous, son. Gorgeous. Look at that. Damn, son. Damn. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. All right, it's now nighttime. A little bit of rain. It don't hurt nobody though. But you guys can see how crystal clear them. Oh. Next up from there, we got regular headlights. Sheesh. That bitch is bright. All right. High beams. God damn, that's bright, yo. That is bright. That is bright. Yo, so that is the wraps. That is the wraps for this video. Nothing much really got done. New headlights, something to upload, you know what I mean? That's all I got done today. It's a daily vlog, kind of like that. I'm trying to do some daily vlogs and uploads. I'm gonna head to the junkyard tomorrow, bring you guys with me, and I'm gonna try to find a good driver's side fender and headlight bracket for the passenger side. That's finding passenger side fender and passenger headlight bracket. Once that's done, then we can see what else we get into. But that is the goal for tomorrow. My Yeezy Wave Runners finally come in, bro. If these are not authentic, I'm gonna be very upset. I'm gonna be very upset, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm gonna be very upset, dog. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and the 2 channels I have in the description box down below. That's my gaming channel and my food channel with my girlfriend. Let's go show some love, subscribe. Trying to get those channels monetized so I can be rich. Isn't that the goal for all of us, to make some money? But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy the video, please leave a dislike on the video. Nah, I don't give a f at this point. Well, I really never give a at any point. Just, I love y'all anyway. Thank y'all for watching. I am out. Peace.